Hello everybody, my name is Grace Luxin and I am the CEO of Surge Freelancing Marketplace, and today allow me to show you how you can use Slack from sign up to becoming familiar with its functionality in order for you to use it as a freelancer, most especially in the project management and productivity task. All you have to do is just go to Google and look for Slack technologies. This should be the link that you need. You'll know that this is the correct one with this logo right here. And then you click here in order to sign up. Click on the try for free and then add your email. I'm just going to go ahead and add our email right here and then continue. So it should send us this code. Okay, so I'm going to go to the email and then look for the code. Copy this one and then add it here. Now I can go ahead and create workspace. Okay, so this is where you can go ahead and manage teams and also tasks, communicate. You can use this for free, but then again, if you want to go for the premium access or the premium type of services, then you will have to go for the paid version. So I'm going to go ahead and probably call this Surge. Okay, so for example, Surge Training Center. Then you can go and upload a logo, basically optimize your profile. And then in here, you can go and create different types of groups or group chats. Okay, so for example, this is under Grace Luxin. You can go and add like different emails. Okay, so those that you'd like to add when it comes to the tasks involved, you can bring them in using their email. So for example, I'm going to bring in info at the Surge Freelancing Marketplace. So you can just add them all here, okay? Or you can skip the task. Afterwards, you can go ahead and create a campaign. So for example, this discussion is going to be all about the masterclass virtual assistant program. I can have it there. So earlier we were talking about adding people. Now I'm here. So all the things that are related to MVA program, I can add people here and I can also add discussions. So the beauty of this one is I can go ahead and add links. I can even add text. I can even add all of these things right here. So it's basically all in one place. So you can have synergies, sharing of ideas, sharing of outputs, all in one space under the Slack platform. So it's an app where you can go ahead and create different channels. So for example, this one is the general channel, or probably you're going to add like create, for example, here, Christmas party. Okay, so all of the discussions under the Christmas party will be here. Basically have all of the conversations related to the Christmas party all in here. And when you're doing this as an executive assistant or a freelancer, all you have to do is create channels, or maybe your client will invite you. At least you know, because you already have an account, and then you can create conversations here, upload photos, add links of certain files, and basically collaborate different projects using this platform.